What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. We are at the Blue Lagoon in Cyprus near Paphos today, and I bet you're sat there wondering what is the best way to get here and what's the best way to experience this beautiful place, and we are here to tell you today. So let's go!
So way number one, which is probably the easiest way, is to book a tour. So you'll be picked up from your hotel, driven all the way up to Latchi, and then you'll jump on the boat, take a little ride all the way along the coast, and then you'll get to the Blue Lagoon. You'll probably spend about an hour here. You can swim, you can sunbathe, you can relax. It's really, really beautiful. And then they'll take you back, and there'll be a link in the description to the best ones that we recommend.
The second way is if you drive all the way to the Blue Lagoon itself. There is a mountain path. It's off-road, and there's some bits where it's next to a cliff and there's no barriers. But if you're brave enough, hire a buggy or an off-road vehicle. Not like this person who decided to come down in a small hatchback. Loads of people do it. I do not recommend it. Bumpers fall off and all sorts. But yeah, you can just drive your off-road vehicle all the way down to the Blue Lagoon, down the mountain path, and then you can jump in by the beach. This way you don't have any sort of time restraints. You can spend all day here, you can see the sunset, and you can drive back. I don't recommend it because of that dangerous path, but a lot of people swear by it, so that's another option. We'll put a link in the description for some hire companies and stuff like that, but there is a lot of hire companies in Paphos and you won't be able to miss it while you're here.
And number three is the best way to see the Blue Lagoon. That's what we're doing currently. It's self-driving a boat. You're going to drive yourself through water along the coast to the Blue Lagoon. So we've got this boat here from Latchi Watersports Centre. So you can jump on the boat, they tell you everything, they really give you a good safety briefing and everything, so it's safe. And you'll drive all along the coast. You can decide how slow you go, how fast you go. There are other bits you can see, and you can stop swimming holes and caves. You come up to the Blue Lagoon, you spend as much time as you want here, and you can just really enjoy your experience of the Blue Lagoon.
The reason why we recommend it so much is if there's a group of you, especially if there's a group of you, it turns out it's cheaper than going on a tour and you get free reign and you're here for ages and you get to drive a boat. Yeah. So what's not to love? So yeah, if there's a group of you of 3 or more, then I would just say do this. This is definitely the coolest and best way to come here.
Yeah. I was actually quite nervous to drive the boat, but I've got on, spent 5 minutes here, and it's really cool. It's really cool.
We've put a link in the description to Latchi Watersports Centre. Definitely check them out. They're definitely the best in Latchi. So yeah, this is the best way. We've also written an article about the Blue Lagoon. Has a lot more information about every single way you can come down here. A link to that article will be in the description, so check that out too.
So thanks for watching. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our page.